I am back with another video. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we get in with this video. So I get a lot of people asking, how do I apply my cap? Because I usually just start the video with the cap already on, and that's because I have old videos applying the cap, and I just don't feel like I have to keep doing that every time. So for my newbies or the ones who haven't seen my old videos, this one is for you. So the paper that I applied is neck strips, any brand. I have a link in the description box. Just click on Amazon store. It'll take you right to it. The hair that I'm using is Sensationals Premium Now in a 10-inch. I did put a little bit of 12-inch that I had just on the bottom so that the sides will be a little bit fuller, because when you get the hair short, even though you have the length, the ends are thin. So that is why I do that. So I get a lot of people saying, oh, why did you put all that long hair in to cut it? Well, it seems long, but like I said, the hair is thinner towards the end. So if you buy it longer and then you're cutting it, you have the fullness to the end as well, and not just, you know, mid shaft and where the weft is.
Team DMS.
So we are pretty much just repeating the pattern, and you're basically just closing up that square until it gets small enough so you can do a full closure or a circle or whatever you call it, and you know, finish off the quick weave. And if you notice, I keep like brushing the hair or combing with my finger with my nails to the side, because she doesn't like her hair in her face at all. So I'm just kind of keep manipulating that hair to just kind of reassure her that the hair is not going to be in her face.
Me twice.
Team DMS.
So from that point, we're just finishing off with a nice circle, and you just keep going with the circle until it doesn't go anymore. And that's how you just close it up. This is too much hair, so I'm gonna cut it, but you cut it until what you think it will finish it off, or roll it up, stick it on there, and bam.
Team DMS.
So now, to make sure the hair is really going to stay over, I'm going to take main knit foam, and what I'm doing is molding her hair. I already molded the sides because she already was under the dryer, but I'm molding the weave just at the top. She won't be under the dryer long, maybe 20 minutes. And that's just to, again, make sure that the hair is to the side and not in her face, because the way that we put the wefts in going forward, had I not done that, it would have been in her face. So she's been under the dryer, everything, and now we're just going straight to cutting. And of course, I'm using a Tinkle razor. This razor is very inexpensive, probably about $3. You can get it on Amazon. You can look in my Amazon store. I have all the things that I use in my videos, or you can get it at your local beauty supply. I have tried different razors that look similar to this, and honestly, Tinkle is the best brand that I found for me. Now, everybody have their choices, but this is what I found that works the best for me.
Team DMS.
And see, we still kept the sides short, but as I was saying, you see how the ends are full, and that's because I put the long hair on the bottom so that when we cut the hair, it's still full on the bottom of the hair or the ends. And I'm taking a little bit of Affirm's Shine Serum. I'm just spraying that on there very, very, very light. I don't want it greasy or anything like that. And then we're going to go ahead and flat iron her hair. Now this flat iron I'm using, this is a test. This is a test. Main Life Collection will be coming out with a 1-inch flat iron soon. So I have a few prototypes that I'm testing out. This is one of them. So far, this one is a winner. But stay tuned for that. It's a ceramic flat iron. But yeah, you can curl this. I'm giving her some layers because she doesn't really know how to do her hair. So this will help it last a little longer just by putting some curls in it. But you can do it blunt. You can even do heavier layers and stuff like that. But if you're going to do it with really, really heavy layers and make it like really, really full, then you're definitely going to have to use more than one pack of hair, because the hair needs to be put in very full so that when you cut it, it looks right. But that's another video, and that's kind of played out a little bit. So and these blue carbon combs, you can get those also at mainlifecollection.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. And yeah, check those layers out. Yes. This clipper is a Babyliss clipper. This clipper is the fucking bomb. And I'm not even just saying that because I want y'all to go click on my Amazon store. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm not a barber. So I don't know how to adjust clippers and do all those. And they come ready to use for a stylist. Not for a barber, for a stylist. So I love them. This is the finished look. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified. And I'll see you again for the next video.